So guys, in less than 10 days, we are gonna see the launch event of one of our favorite brand, OnePlus. The devices in this series are turning out to be an all-round flagships. The display, as you very well might be aware, has broken 13 records, meaning the OnePlus phones have excellent screen and they secured DisplayMate's highest rating, that is A+, suggesting that it will excel at the general display performance of most other phones, including being the best at color accuracy, image contrast, display brightness and screen reflection. It's not just the display that is excellent, even the performance is better, beating even the mighty Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra according to newly discovered benchmarks. Although the device in benchmark isn't called the OnePlus 8 Pro, the presence of 12GB of RAM and Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 CPU makes us think that this is likely the top tier OnePlus 8 Pro model. Compared to Galaxy S20 Ultra, which scored 805 and 3076 in the single core and multi-core tests, the OnePlus 8 Pro does far better. The devices are also expected to feature triple camera layouts and all the usual bells and whistles of a fully equipped flagship smartphone. The OnePlus 8 has also been touted to come in new interstellar glow finish. But with all this comes the increased price tag. OnePlus CEO Pete Lau has confirmed that the phones will cost users not more than $1,000. But that doesn't mean it will be cheaper, it's gonna break the previous pricing records. The OnePlus 7 Pro and 70 Pro were the first devices from OnePlus to have breached the 50,000 price mark, and I think OnePlus 8 will be priced onward Rs 50,000 or USD 650. If you want to know more about these devices, then you can check out my another video. I don't want to eat up your time repeating the same stuff. I have already mentioned the specs as well as compared both OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro to give you a better idea of the differences. I will link it in the description or in the cards, so do check it out. And for more information, subscribe to our channel. Hope to see you in the next one. Peace out.